Hey guys, it's Erica from Erica Marie Plans. Welcome back to my channel for another memory plan with me. This week I'm using a kit from Crest Press. Don't remember what it's called. I think it's called St. Paddy's now that I think about it. This is for the week of March 15th through the 21st, the week of St. Patrick's Day. I was so looking forward to using this kit because of all the fun foils I was going to use. I did get the foil bundle from Crest Press. That was like her sparkly gold foil bundle, and then I also picked up the St. Patrick's Day themed foil bundle from Sticker Guru. I do PR for Sticker Guru. You guys can use my code Erica15 to save. The bougie boxes that I use for the spread or the foil underlays, I actually did make those myself. I really like the way it turned out using these. It just like brought in so much gold foil. So I did technically use like 3 different types of foil because I don't have like hollow or like the sparkly gold foil to like make my own scripts with. So I just did regular gold, but I love the way this spread turned out. It's so foiled. It's just like so bright. I was doing a little kind of like photo shoot of like all my spreads because I haven't, like the main reason why I haven't been posting my plan with me's, even though they are all filmed, is just because I'm so lazy and I hate taking the photos to do as my thumbnail. So I just like did a whole photo shoot and like took all the photos, so I don't have to like worry about doing that anymore. I just need to edit them so I can just upload it as I'm like as it should be uploaded. But it was so sparkly when I was doing those photos. Obviously it's hard to capture it like in a photo, but when I was like moving it around, it was so pretty. So really excited to show you guys this spread and how it turned out. In the sidebar, I am marking in that box that it was St. Patrick's Day because I did forget to put it on for Wednesday the 17th. So I was like, you know what, I'll just put it in the sidebar. And then I did track my water and skincare. And then I did do a mixture of scripts that I made myself along with my collection. I just made the scripts that I didn't have like a sticker for. So if I had like a script already in my collection that was like what I needed, I went ahead and used it. But if I didn't, I went ahead and made it myself. So I think I'm going to go ahead and get started with the day by day. This plan with me is a little bit shorter. I did speed it up a bit because it was pretty long. So there was like no in between. So I'm like, you know what, I'm just going to make it a little bit shorter than my usual videos. So yeah, so the first thing I'm marking on Monday the 15th is that I woke up early. This is so long ago. We're now in the middle of June. So it's been 2 months, right? March, April, May, June. Oh, I guess 3 months now. That's crazy. I'm so behind in these voiceovers. So I appreciate it if you guys watch these still and are like still interested. So the first thing I'm marking is that I woke up early. The script is from Kinsey's Creations and the girl is from Stick with the Plan Co. I also did a Trader Joe's run. The Trader Joe's script is from Right Brain Paper Co. She is no longer open. And then the bag is from Fox and Pip. I also did some filming this day. The film script is from SPC and the camera is from Whimsical Cat Studio. I watched Gossip Girl. The Gossip Girl script is from, it's also from Kinsey's Creations. That was a custom I did. And then the TV is from Right Brain Paper Co. Also after work this day, I had some cider. I prefer cider over anything. It's just like an easy drink for me, especially like after work. So I had some cider, and then the beer sticker is from Paper and Milk. And then I took a nap after work, or like kind of like in between my shifts. The nap script is from Ice Cream Joe, and the emoji is from the Coffee Monsters Co. We also had some taco bowls for dinner. We made tacos the night before, and so we had some leftovers. And then the taco bowl sticker is from Fox and Cactus. I also had to pay the electricity bill this day. The light bulb is from GP Studio. She is now open. She's been open for a bit, but I love GP Studio, so make sure to definitely check out her shop. And then I also bought all the things this day. I guess I must have bought like some Lulu stuff and stickers, obviously. And I use a munchkin from Once More with Love. I'm like forgetting everything because I have not planned in a long time. Moving on into Tuesday, I took a nap again. The nap script is from Right Brain Paper Co. and a Paper and Milk Maru. Also had some afternoon coffee. The coffee sticker is from the Coffee Monsters Co. And then it was just a really great day at work. I don't remember if it was at the school or at Lulu. I cannot remember which job I was referring to, but it was a great day. And so I used a Fox and Pip Girl. And then I also did some meal prepping. I used a munchkin from Once More with Love and made some chocolate dipped strawberries. I've been loving during this time, I haven't done it in a while, but like dipping my fruit in chocolate and just kind of like making like gourmet, it's not gourmet, but like dipped fruit. It's so good. I've been craving it lately, but I don't have any chocolate chips here, so I need to go do a grocery run to pick some up. But I made some chocolate dipped strawberries. It's like one of my favorite things. So we had that for dessert, and I also ended my day with doing some laundry. And that girl is from Fox and Pip, and the strawberry sticker is from Papershire. Moving on into Wednesday, I had really bad anxiety this day, and I was just really tired, so I would put the Tired AF script from Letters to Apollo and a munchkin there. I also use another Once More with Love sticker that says Looked After Myself because I was just not feeling great. So I decided to just take the day off, and I called out this day. And then I also talked to my dad, and that Call Dad script is a custom from Right Brain Paper Co. and I used an emoji. Since I had the day off, I don't know what triggered this. Like me and my dad were just having a conversation about my car, and he's like, maybe you should look into getting a new car. And I don't know, I was like, you know what, I want to. And I'm the type of person, like, when I want to do something, I need to do it right now, or I just get very frustrated. Dean is not like that. He is very, like, he likes to, like, do the research and all that. But, like, if I want to do something and if I want something, I will do it that very second. So right after I was done talking to my dad, I left and went to go look at cars. Ended up not getting a car because the car I wanted, I didn't realize it was smaller than my car I have now. Right now I have a small SUV. It's a Hyundai Tucson, right? Yes. And I was looking at, I can't remember what it was called, but it's another Hyundai. I cannot remember what it's called, but it's a little bit smaller than my car. And I was like, I'm not trying to like downgrade the size of my car. I love my car and all the features it has. And so I ended up not doing it, but it was really nice looking at cars. I haven't obviously done that in a bit. And yeah, so I think eventually I'll get a new car. If anything, it needs to be a bigger car. But didn't work out that day. I also made some corned beef since it was St. Patrick's Day. I've never made corned beef before, but I love corned beef. I haven't had it in years because every year for Lent I give up meat, and so I can never have it because Lent is always during St. Patrick's Day. But this year I didn't give up anything this year. I just did the regular, like, just not have meat on Fridays. So, okay, Gabby's calling me. Sorry, Gabby. I will call you back in a minute. But it was so fun, like, doing that and just making my first corned beef. And it turned out so good. And then I also organized my stickers. I did an Instagram story this day. And I washed my hair. Moving on into Thursday. Thursday was a really fun day. It was payday. And it was also tax return day. I got my tax return. Super nice. Didn't have to owe a lot of money, but I feel like I always owe money to the state. I think it's the state or federal. Maybe state. But I got like a lot back still. And then I also tidied up around the house. I called out sick again this day. Was not feeling the greatest, so I used a munchkin that says today is canceled. And then I had a Plan With Me go live. Since I took the day off, I did do a bit of filming. I used a Whimsical Cat Studio girl there. Made my doTERRA order this day. And then I also bought my new tire because I think it was in the previous Plan With Me I mentioned that I had a flat tire. So I had to get a new one. I finally just like took it into, I don't know what the tire shop is called. It's a tire store. That's like a big tire store. I think it's called Big Old Tires. I think that's what it's called. I went there and they're like, yeah, there's no way we can like patch it up because it was like in the corner to where like there's no way of fixing it. You need a new tire. So had to buy a tire. They didn't have my tire in shop, so they had to order it. And they said it'd take like up to 2 weeks. I'm like, that's great. But it ended up coming super fast. I think I got it the following week. So in the next plan with me, I'll like talk about it. So it came pretty fast. I also picked up some Buffalo Wild Wings for dinner, and I bought all the stickers this day. So I used a Wonton in a Million sticker to mark that. This day was pretty busy. I should have put a full extender, and I hate that I had to cover up the bottom washi, but there was just no way. And then the last thing I'm marking is that we watched Guardians of the Galaxy 2. Moving on into Friday. Friday was just a very relaxing day. I did have to work, but I like took it easy because I didn't want to like stress myself out. So I used a relaxed script from SPC and a girl from Papershire. I also just had an oil session before work to kind of like get myself in a good headspace. The oil sticker is from Fox and Pip. I also cooked dinner this day. The cook script is from Right Brain Paper Co. And the munchkin is from Once More with Love. I watched Gossip Girl. I think I was just on emails this day. There was like a while where like I was just on emails for weeks and weeks at work, and that was so nice because you kind of get to go at your own pace. You do have to hit like a certain mark each hour, but I always hit it. So it was just nice to kind of like do it at a steady, relaxing pace. I also had Gossip Girl going on in the background. That girl is from Stick with the Plan Co. and the Gossip Girl stick, again, is from Kinsey's Creations. And I also, after work, pulled some stickers so I could get ready to like start doing a bunch of filming because we knew we were moving soon. So I wanted to get as caught up as possible, which I did. I got all caught up before we left, but now I'm behind because I have nowhere to film. And then I used an Emily sticker from SPC to mark that. Moving on into Saturday, I started my day with my morning coffee. I guess I was just like super tired because I used the Tired Munchkin to mark that. And the morning coffee script is from Murdoch Talks. It was a really busy day at work this day. I used a Bow like laptop from Letters to Apollo, and the So Busy script from Kinsey's Creations. And I guess I just was not feeling the best again this day. I was in my feelings. I used a munchkin to mark that. After work, I did some dishes, and I did some filming again. Moving on into Sunday, we started our day with watching Ant-Man. Ant-Man was like really fun. I love Paul Rudd. So I really, really love that movie. That script is from SPC. Also had some morning coffee this day. Yes, I did have this day off. So we watched Ant-Man in the morning. Dean made me coffee. After that, I did clean around the house. That clean script is from Valerie Papery. You guys can use my code Erica10 to save on your purchase when you guys purchase from her off Etsy. And then for dinner, we had Chipotle, and then we had Nectar as well. Chipotle and Nectar were right next to each other, and we wanted to kind of like balance it out a little bit. So we had a green juice with our Chipotle. And then to end the day, I washed my hair because I had to get ready for the week. So yeah, so that completes this week's plan with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure to hit that like button if you guys like the video. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already, and follow me on Instagram. It is Erica Marie Plans. I will have it linked down below. But thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. All right, bye guys.